We can shine in a crowd, we never hesitate. Let us rise to the clouds. We got nothing to lose, I know the time is right. Let us light up the fuse. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know we're perfect, you and I. And I don't, and I don't, and I don't, and I don't giving up without a fight. What I feel, what I feel, I always.
These pots are simply gorgeous. Let's see how to get them out of here. They are packaged so well so that they don't break. Look at that. Gorgeous. There is a trio, and I chose the color gray, but they do come in a taupe, and I may paint this later because I don't know, I'm not a big gray girl, but it's kind of earthy, it's kind of neutral. We'll see. This is the trio, and then you get the 3 plugs if you want to plug in the hole. So you could use these indoor or outdoor. Just simply gorgeous. I'm using them outdoor, but I will put felt on the bottom of these because I'm sitting them on top of a glass table and I don't want the glass to be scratched. What I like about the bows is the varying sizes. This one's super large. So the varying sizes, along with the different heights, I think that looks just gorgeous. And I like the gray because I'm going to bring in a camel color. So this is working out perfect. When I sit down, if I could sit on my sofa, it seems like it's a little bit drier. Oh, that's just gorgeous. That's perfect because I've got the different heights, the different variations. The color is different with the black, the white on the chair. And so now I'll make a fire pit, a tabletop fire pit. And this is just gorgeous. Instead of having a fireplace down here, I'll have the fire pits going. And they're just wonderful because you can just light them up with a candle lighter. And you don't have to worry about propane or any of that, and you get the same exact feeling that you would from a fire pit. I'll place the mulch at the bottom, so let's put a little bit more. When I did the upstairs balcony, I put the tiki pot right next to the mulch, and I thought it would be okay. And one of you guys told me that it could catch on fire, so thank you for that. So pretty. I love the brown. It's like a beach sandy color. It's sand, right? But it's so, the color that it's adding, that's another dimension of decor. Just the simple sand color that this is adding. With this tabletop, I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to add these fireballs. You can get them from Amazon. I'll link them below. And it just gives it a little bit more of a contrast, something a little bit different. They come in varied colors, and I have them in different colors, and they also come in different sizes. I just think it looks so unique. Just look at how simple that is. It's just simple to have fire as one of your elements. It's just super, super simple. So far, we've already set up the chairs, the sofa, the two tables that I absolutely love, and this is it. She's gorgeous. Just that white, setting it off against the white that's here. White, and then we've got more white. I'm going to make the fire pit that I made for the balcony. I'll make one here, and I won't force you guys to go look at another video. I'll try to get close-ups and show you what that looks like. This time I'm going to do things a little bit different. One of you guys made a good suggestion. When I did the fire pit on the balcony, I used all mulch as a base, and that person suggested that that wasn't that best of an idea because she said the mulch could catch on fire, which is true. So this time around, I'm going to use the mulch on the bottom as a bottom base, and then I'm going to use sand on the medium base, and the sand's going to help weigh this down. One time I had plants here and I put a little dirt. I didn't have any sand in it, and it just spilled over into the pool. It was a mess. So the sand will definitely help weigh it down. Dig a hole inside. Pretty, not super, super deep, but enough so that this cup just sits down in here. Okay, so I've shown you guys this bowl. She's white, she's gorgeous. It's a clay bowl with a shiny white finish. We just made the table. She's gorgeous as well. Girl, we just working with nothing but gorgeous things over here. So let's get started with the tabletop fire pit. And this is what I'm doing. There's nothing about this that's the correct way. This is just the way that I've decided that I want to do this particular tabletop. Let's get started. I'm just going to fill this with mulch. You can use mulch, you can use sand, you can use fire sand. I'm doing mine with mulch because it's easier, it's light. Wow. That's beautiful. These I purchased at Lowe's. I will leave a link, but I'm gonna say run, don't walk. And you can go to your local home and garden company and get the black pebbles.
Just a game, 'cause I got high hopes.
If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.